Is there any difference in cooking time between boiling fresh chicken and frozen chicken?
Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will discuss the difference in cooking time between boiling fresh chicken and frozen chicken. By the end, you will have a better understanding of how to adjust your cooking times accordingly.
Does the initial state of the chicken affect cooking time?
Yes, the initial state of the chicken, whether fresh or frozen, does indeed affect cooking time. Frozen chicken takes longer to cook than fresh chicken because the heat must first penetrate the frozen exterior before beginning to cook the meat. This means that you will need to allocate extra time when boiling frozen chicken to ensure it is cooked through safely.
How long should I boil fresh chicken?
For fresh chicken, it typically takes around 25 to 30 minutes to fully cook through when boiling. This is a general guideline and can vary depending on the size and thickness of the chicken pieces. To ensure that your chicken is cooked to a safe temperature, use a meat thermometer to check that the internal temperature reaches at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius.
How long should I boil frozen chicken?
When boiling frozen chicken, you'll need to allow additional time for the chicken to thaw and cook through. As a general guideline, you should add about 50% more cooking time when boiling frozen chicken. This means that it can take approximately 40 to 45 minutes for the chicken to be fully cooked. Again, it is important to use a meat thermometer to ensure that the chicken reaches a safe internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius.
What if I want to boil a whole chicken?
If you are boiling a whole chicken, the cooking time will depend on the weight of the chicken. A good rule of thumb is to boil the chicken for 20 minutes per pound. For a frozen whole chicken, you will need to add more time, generally about 30 minutes per pound. Always use a meat thermometer to check that the internal temperature reaches at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. In summary, there is indeed a difference in cooking time between boiling fresh and frozen chicken. Always remember to adjust your cooking time according to the initial state of the chicken and to use a meat thermometer to ensure your chicken reaches a safe internal temperature. Happy cooking!